driving from Launceston down to Hobart today, and I'm taking a bit of a scenic route. It's currently freezing up here, a bit over 1,000 metres above sea level, but I'm at this lovely lake. I think it's called Little Pine Lake, something along those lines. So we're going to keep driving south and see what we can find. So this myrtle I was showing you the other day, only this one isn't getting anywhere near as big as those trees up at Cradle. And looking at the forest around here, it's not going to get much bigger. So just over there behind me is Penstock Lagoon. This is a lake a bit lower altitude than the last one we were at. I've got my camera set up, let's go and see what we can find. Spooked this little duck, I think. Looks like a musk duck. It's a pretty nice day out here today, even if it is a bit chilly. We've got quite a few birds calling in the distance. I can hear some magpies and some other little things in the tree that I've not yet been able to identify. There've been a lot of ducks around. I keep spooking them. I'm clearly the first person to walk along here today, and so they're all those that are in the reeds right near the shore here have been diving out, and I've not quite caught any of them before they've actually done that, so I've not managed to get any photos of that occurring. But yeah, it's a fun little place. I'm going to wait here for a little while and see what I can find, and then keep moving. I missed it. I missed the moment. No! Just noticed a kookaburra out the window. Not sure if I'll be able to get some video, but before I scare it off. Sometimes they can be quite relaxed and let you actually take quite a bit of footage. We shall see. Well, this kookaburra has been quite generous in allowing me to get myself all set up. Just trying to decide if I want to stay here with those out of focus sticks in the way or try and move around a bit. It's in quite a nice spot now. There we go, look at that! Lovely, lovely spot for it. Today's probably going to prove to be a bit of a short video, which is nice on my end because uni is crazy at the moment. So I've just reached a place called Bothwell, which is about 500 metres above sea level, so we've sort of been dropping down all day. A nice little cafe here. I've got a pie and a scone, so I'm splurging a little bit food-wise. But yeah, it's been a really fun day. I'll hope to see you next time. In case any of you are interested, I think it's called Sealy's Cafe and Gifts. Should have taken some video of that pie. That was one of the nicest freaking pies I've ever eaten in my life. I imagine these scones are going to be very similar. Go here.